Dear freshers, welcome to Milestone College. On behalf of our Honorable Advisor, Colonel Nurnabi Sir, retired, and I, Professor Mihirlal Saha, Chairman, Department of Chemistry, Milestone College, ex-Principal, Chatpur Gov College, Chatpur. I would like to introduce all of you to 4 types of D. First, D for desire, second D for direction, and third D for dedication, fourth D for discipline. I also advise you to gather 5 types of C's. First C is character, second C is commitment, third C is conviction, fourth C is courtesy, and last C is courage. You have to have also 4 types of H. First H is head. Every person has a head, but we want head with intelligence and creativity, not lazy head. Second H is heart. We required a most kind-hearted person, not cruel heart. Third H is hand. We know that every person has 2 hands, but we desire industrious hands, not hands of beggar. And last H is honesty. We desire that you must be a honest person. You remember that most people fail not because of lack of ability or intelligence, but because of lack of 4 D's, 5 C's and 4 H's. Education. What is education? Education is a continuous process of enlightening human being and bringing desirable changes in the behavior of them. I hope you will be an enlightened person with all virtues. Thank you all. May Allah bless you.
Welcome to the virtual class of Milestone College. This is AFM Yusuf, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to discuss on chapter 1 of first paper. The name of this chapter is Safe Use of Laboratory. Today actually I am going to introduce you with some apparatus used in the chemistry lab. Actually chemistry is based on laboratory activities. So my dear students, come to the point, let's start to introduce the apparatus. This is test tube. There are different types of test tube. Suppose this is smaller test tube and this is larger in size. This test tube is larger in size, and the test tubes are kept in this test tube stand, and this is test tube holder. Through this test tube holder, the test tubes are held here and it is burned or it is heated in the burner. This is the activities of test tube, and this is brush, and through this brush normally the glass apparatus used in the chemistry laboratory, this brush is used for cleaning the glass articles. And this is beaker. There are different types, there are different sizes of beakers. As an example, this is 250 ml beaker and this is 500 ml beaker. This is larger in size, and this is Bunsen burner. This Bunsen burner is connected with the gas pipe, and this is tripod stand. Tripod stand is kept, it is used over the Bunsen burner. When some experiment is heated, then wire gauze is kept on the tripod stand, and this, suppose this beaker is kept on the wire gauze and it is heated. This is the activities of Bunsen burner, tripod stand, wire gauze. And then funnel. This is funnel. Funnel is used for pouring some liquid substance to the test tube or conical flask. This is conical flask. And burette, this glassware is named as burette. It is used in the titration process. And this is stand, this is burette stand, and this is clamp. Through this clamp, burette is hold. This is pipette. Pipette, through this pipette, chemical substances are taken through this pipette. In this case, the breathing is used for holding the chemical substance from beaker or some glassware from the stock solution. Then it is given in the conical flask. Then spatula. There are so many types of spatula. Dear students, this is smaller in size, this is larger, and this is also another type of spatula. Spatula is used actually for taking some salts or solid chemicals from chemical pot. Then it is given in the test tube or beaker or conical flask. And this spatula is used for taking some pieces of chemical substances. Then loop holders. This is loop holder. Loop holder is used for flame test. Then measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder. Through this measuring cylinder, the chemical substances are measured here for the chemical experiments. Then round bottle. This is round bottle. It is also used for taking chemical substances. Then this is reagent bottle. In this bottle, this glassware, some chemical substances, especially liquid solutions, are taken here. Then volumetric flask. This is volumetric flask. There are different sizes of volumetric flask. This is 250 ml volumetric flask. This is 500 ml volumetric flask, and this is 100 ml volumetric flask. Then this is a spirit lamp. Dear students, in this lamp it is used for giving heat in the chemical reaction, chemical experiment. Here spirit is used as fuel. Then this is gas jar. In the chemical experiment, the produced gas is reserved in this gas jar. Then Thistle, this is Thistle funnel. This is Thistle funnel, and this is Wolf bottle. This is Wolf bottle. And dear students, this is mortar and pestle. This is mortar and this is pestle. Through both of these apparatus, some solid substance are smashed here. Then this is porcelain basin. This is porcelain basin. This is also used for taking some smashed chemical substances. And this is watch glass. This is used for watching some chemical substances. Then this is chemical pot. This is chemical pot. Here some chemical substances, especially salt, are taken here. Here stored here. Suppose calcium chloride is taken in this pot. Then this is Kip's apparatus. This is Kip apparatus. My dear students, this is very sensitive and bulky apparatus, glassware, and this is also very expensive. And this is digital balance. Dear students, this is digital balance. Through this digital balance, the chemical substances are measured very specifically. This measurement is very sensitive, and this is Paul-Bungay balance, dear students. Through the Paul-Bungay balance we can measure the chemical substances, and through this Paul-Bungay balance you will get so many mathematical problems or some theoretical lectures on this Paul-Bungay balance also. This is wash bottle, this is wash bottle, and wash bottle, through this wash bottle some distilled water is taken in this wash bottle, and through this wash bottle the glasswares, especially test tube type substances, are washed through this water, distilled water. And this is thermometer. This is thermometer. This is a common apparatus used in the chemistry lab, and you know that through this thermometer the temperature is measured here. And this is glass rod. A glass rod is used for shaking some chemical substances during the experiment. And dear students, that's all the used chemical apparatus in chemistry lab. And my dear students, in our next lecture we will conduct this class on the using and activities and role of each of the glass apparatus in the chemistry lab. No more today, and goodbye.